Valentine's Day was around the corner and Davis's class was having a bake sale. I wanted to make red velvet cupcakes and had read that in the olden days they used beets to make the cake red. I also got a letter from the New York Board of Education that said whatever you make for the bake sale had to be nut-free. There's this company that makes a great delicious chocolate cake mix that's nut-free, dairy-free, and egg-free. Adding beets to the red velvet cupcakes would make them guilt-free to me. So I pre-cooked the beets in foil, and if you rub the foil, the beet skins come right off. Cut the beets and put them in a blender with 1/3 cup of oil, 3/4 cup of milk. I use soy milk to make them dairy-free, and I also added 2 tablespoons of agave to sweeten the beets. Blend until smooth. And then stir with the cake mix. Pour the batter into a lined or pre-greased cupcake tin and bake for about 15 minutes. Davis came home from school with Chloe and Ava, so they helped me make the frosting. I made a dairy-free frosting, but you could also use the same recipe and use butter and regular cream cheese. Use a hand mixer to blend well and then put it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes to chill. Let the cupcakes cool before frosting them.
These ones are for Davis's bake sale, and these ones are for our home.
Then we had a frosting party. I added some decorations and the kids loved them. The next morning, I put the cupcakes for the bake sale in containers to take to the school. I added some cute candy hearts and wrote out my ingredient label. They were a huge success.